Welcome back. All right, so I'm going to show you a little tip for Canva. I recently purchased some graphics from Creative Market, and I have tons of PNGs that I need to upload into Canva so that I can use them in my designs. And it takes a long time, like the way I was doing it, but I found a little way to get around it. So if I go to on the side here, you can go to your projects tab, and I have created some folders here. So I'm going to go to the folder for nursery, clip art, watercolor, and all of these are filled with the things that I have purchased. So what I'm going to do is add a new folder, and I'm just going to kind of I'm going to go into my files here. Let's see. I have to go over here. Oh, I need to think, where did I put these at? Oh, the filing system. Okay. So I'm going to create a new folder here. So let me actually go back and see. The last one that I did was Jungle Party. Okay. I'm doing them alphabetically, so I still haven't even unzipped all of these. Okay, so the next one I want to do is Jungle Baby Face. So that's what I'm going to name the folder. Jungle Baby Face. It makes it so much easier later if you keep it organized like this. So now I'm going to open up the folder, and I'm going to go to upload, and I could click it and go into it, and like I could do it this way, which is the old way I used to do it, and it's terrible. So I'm not going to do that. What I am going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to pull up the folder. I'm gonna shrink it so you guys can see. But I'm going to open up the Jungle Baby Face, and I'm gonna extract them. I should have done this before. Oh, look, it's 195 items. Oh man, this is gonna take a second. But once it's done extracting them, I'm gonna show you how you can easily do it. It still takes a second to upload if you have a lot, but it's a lot easier. Okay, so here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click and drag on these, and then I'm going to drag them over here and drop them. And now they are uploading. All three of the PNGs are uploading, and that's how I do it for all of them. That's what I'm going to do for all 195 items, just to make it easier on myself.